Hey guys, welcome to Fit After 50. My name is Paul. Welcome to the basement. Fit After 50 being your one-stop shop for all workouts for adults over the age of 50. Like me, I'm 54. I'm still pushing it, 20, 30, 40 minutes a day. So today, we got a 15-minute workout. There's gonna be zero equipment needed for this. For 15 minutes, we're just gonna repeat 40 squats, 10 push-ups, 50 jump rope or jumping jacks, whatever you wanna do, and 20 sit-ups. We're gonna get started in a few seconds. So let's shake those arms and legs out a little bit. Give yourself some hugs. We'll get going. Get those heart rates moving just a little bit walking in place. Let's get that heart rate rushing. Arms up, down, up, down. Do whatever you wanna do. I just want you to start moving just a little bit. It's just a minute or so, and then I'm gonna start my watch, and we are going to go for 15 minutes straight. I'm not gonna rush through this too quickly today. I'm just keep all the reps under control like we always do. The last thing we wanna do is get hurt. All right, you guys ready to go? First set of squats, it's gonna be 40 squats. You guys ready to go? I'm starting my watch now, and time is on, and let's go. One. It's gonna be a lot of counting going on today. I'm gonna try to get as close as I can to the actual number that I mentioned. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're going for 15 minutes. Don't forget. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Halfway there. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more, I think. I already forgot. God, we just got started. That's all right. Keep going. We have plenty of these left. It doesn't really matter. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now let's get down to the ground for 10 push-ups. Do them as well as you can. If you got to stay on your knees, you stay on your knees. We don't judge here. We just work out. Are you guys ready to go? 10 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now we're going to put 50 jump rope, pretend jump rope for me, because I don't have a jump rope. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just count with me. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. 9, 20. 1, 2. Keep jumping. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1. Come on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 40. So 10 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on. 8, 9, and 10. I realized there were 2 jumps for 1 count. That's okay. Don't worry about it. 20 sit-ups. 20 crunches. You can't do sit-ups. Do the best that you can. I don't care where your arms go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep moving. No stopping today, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Halfway there. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 2 more. 1 and 2. That took about 3 minutes to get through all those exercises. So we'll go about 5 rounds. Ready? Let's go. 40 squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep it up. 8, 9. That's 10. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 20. Halfway there. Come on. 1. Count with me. 2 and 3. 4. Louder. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 30. 10 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. Boom. On the ground. Give ourselves 10 push-ups. Ready, go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 6, 1, 8, 9, 10. Boom. Jump ropes. I'm gonna do the best I can to count again. Probably be doubles. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep it up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. Little jumps. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. 7, 8, 9, and 40. Keep it up. 10 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just get off the ground just a little bit. That's good enough. But then you gotta speed roll. You don't need to jump very high. Ready? 20 sit-ups. 1, 2. Keep it up, guys. 3, 4. Nice and consistent pace. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Keep it up. And 10. Halfway there. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 more. 1, 2, 3. Last one. And 4. And we are right on schedule. Ready? 40 squats. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Heart rate's rushing. I feel good. 4, 5. Keep it up. 6. A lot of counting today. I'm so sorry. 7, 8, 9, 10. If you guys ever want me to shut up, just tell me. I'll do these with no talking. 3, 4. I'm here for you. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Halfway. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. And this is 1. And this is 2. And we're looking good. Come on. And 4. And 5. And 6. And 7. And 8. And 9. Last one on the ground. 10 push-ups. Times are wasted. Let's move it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Get up. Fake jump rope. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looking good. 8. Come on. 10. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 8, 9, 30. 20 more. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. Let's go. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20 sit-ups on the ground. We know what to do by now, but regardless, reviews over your head. Just in case you forget it, because I know I do. We're doing 20 sit-ups. This is number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 left. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep moving. 5, 6, 7, 3 more. 1, 2, last 1, 3, down, up for squats. Guys, if you're doing more squats than I do or less, don't worry about it. Just keep up with me, keep moving. Ready for these squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, keep it up. 5, 6, 7, 8, I'm breathing hard, I'm working hard. 9, 10, and we have about 5.5 minutes left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 20. Keep going. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. Ready? 1, come on. 2, let's go. 3, 4, and 5. On the ground, 10 push-ups. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And fake jump rope coming up. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep moving. Come on. 1. Let's go. Come on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. 7, 8. Move it. 9, 10, 20 left. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 40. 10 left. 1, 2, I can't tell. 3, 4, come on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's enough jumping. Let's do some sit-ups. Come on, people. 20 sit-ups. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 left. 10 left. 10. This is 10. 1. Come on. 2. Work with me. I'm tired. I can't count. I can't concentrate. 4, 5. Let's go. 6, 7, 8. 2 more. Piece of cake and 1. And piece of cake and 2. And we are getting up. We're doing squats for the last and final single time. Last round, we're on schedule. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Keep up and up. Halfway. Last time, last round, guys. 3, 4. Come on. 5. Let's go. 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 10 left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last 1 and 10. 10 push-ups. Let's go on the ground. We got to finish this up. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 6, 1, 8, 1, 10. Jump ropes. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. 1, 2. Come on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fun. 9, 10, 20. 1, 22, 3, 4, 25, 26, 7, 8, 9, 30, 20 left, and we're done. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 left. 1, 2, keep jumping. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we're going down for sit-ups for the last and final time. Let's get done before 15 minutes rolls around. 1, 2, we should be able to do it. We got this, we're strong, we're tough. We're fit after 50, right? Haha. 5, 6, 7, 8, nice, 9, 10, time to spare. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Just keep going with the sit-ups until it's 15 minutes. Doesn't matter how many we do. Keep going, keep pushing it. Going above and beyond today. I'm not even gonna count anymore. We have about 25 seconds left. Keep it up. "15 seconds. It is what it is. Keep pushing. Keep sitting up. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And we are done. All right. Well, thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. My name is Paul. As always, all the workouts are brought here right here from the basement. Most of them. I say 99.5%. Guys, this workout, 15 minutes, 193 calories. That is less than a plain bagel. That's why I always say, unless you're into endurance racing of some sort, or you need something for recovery after long workouts, do not count these exercises against your diet. I know you think you could get a bagel or a can of Coke. Don't do it. Diet to lose weight, workout to get fit and healthier. That's all I got for you today. I'll see you guys during the next workout.